that brings to mind the Dogtrot. There's a term that's called the Dogtrot, and it's a space that connects two buildings. Sometimes there's, more glass, sometimes there's some, walls, but that is the perfect opportunity to incorporate a mother-in-law suite or another guest house or a guest building that's attached to the main house. So people have their privacy on one end. The Dogtrot allows them to pass, freely through, but also provides a little privacy too from the main home.
I think that's wonderful. But with barndominiums, and that maybe was one misconception that we didn't address is simply that a barndominium is geared toward the shop, and yeah, it certainly can be, but it doesn't have to be just that. And that Dogtrot can allow that space where you can have this big, beautiful shop with all of the fun toys and even some entertaining areas where we've seen where instead of really a shop or a mechanical space, they're using that like as an additional hosting area or a gym or, things like that. But that those spaces, are meant to be functional, but they don't have to be all in one.
Right.
Yeah.
Not single purpose anymore.
Right.
You've got the man cave attached to with a bar, with the workshop, with the car collection, right? I mean, it's just endless. If you can dream it, we'll help you bring it to fruition. The rustic home doesn't mean masculine anymore. We've seen the rustic blend with traditional very well, but rustic modern, even rustic glam.
When you're hearing us talk about what can go into these homes and all of these features and textures and things, if you don't feel like that's your forte, fear not.
Absolutely.
We have an amazing team here at Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes that can then take your dream and make it come to life. And we are happy to guide you and offer suggestions and really exceed your expectations.